Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This is my Lego motorcycle Trike. It's used with power functions, and there are these nice suspension pieces, so it's very bouncy. It can go on those bumpy and rocky surfaces. And this is just a fun little car. It's under 70 pieces, so there aren't really that many, with the majority of the pieces just being Technic pins. So without further ado, we can get right into the tutorial.
Right now.
Okay, so here's the finished product right here, and the last thing you gotta do is get your power functions remote. So I decided to wire this up to the blue side of the receiver, meaning that I have to hit the blue side of the controller for it to go forwards and then backwards. So yeah, that's really going to be covering it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like if you got this far, and yeah, that's really gonna be it.
See ya.